Good morning. It's Tuesday, December 26th. Hopefully everyone had a great Christmas, spent some time with the family, and had some great food. We did as well. Daniel will not be here continuing that celebration with his lovely wife, so it'll be just me in the shop. Elizabeth will come out with me and help me if needed, so feel free to come on in. Today, I'm not expecting to get a whole lot done on my Kiritsuke Gyuto, but if I can, this will be the thing I work on. I have some more 220 grind lines to do on it, and I still have not glued up any aspect of the handle. So I will work on that as I'm able, if I'm able. Day after Christmas is always kind of spotty. Like we've had years where, lots of people get gift cards, lots of people get cash, and it can be an absolutely crazy day, and it can be spotty, or it can be kind of quiet. It just depends on kind of when it falls. So the fact that it's a Tuesday, some people have to go back to work, others don't. We'll see. It's just one of those things. But for now, we're going to come into the showroom, and I am going to talk to you about not some new stuff, but some new things we're going to be doing, kind of a little shift of direction. So we're doing basically a New Year sale. This is the first time we've ever done that. Starting talking about the Miyabi Evolution series. These are absolutely great knives. I love the steel in them. It's got one of the best shaped handles as far as a manufactured, like full tang knife. I love the contouring on that. And they're just great knives. It's just, they look a lot like other knives that we have in stock, and those honestly have been selling better. So with both the sets, we have a 7-piece set and a 10-piece set in. We're gonna be clearancing these out. All the individual knives we will be clearancing out. If these don't sell quickly, we're gonna break them up and sell them as well by piece. So we'll include an edge guard because it won't have a box. And what we're doing for the first couple of customers that we have a couple of these Miyabi boards. It's like a block, but it's a board, so magnets in there. Basically, if you buy 3 or more, we're gonna give you one of these. This will be a limited time thing. We only have a couple of these. If we break these up, we'll have a couple more. So we're basically, Daniel and I have been talking a lot about like what's one of the ways we can move some of the older inventory out so we can get newer things in, and this is really what we came up with. So we're gonna be putting some other stuff on sale, completely clearancing some things out, so we're not gonna be carrying some things going forward. We'll sell everything we have, but we won't be reordering in the future, just because things, you never know how something's gonna sell, right? It's one of the frustrations of a small retail business. You get something in, you think it's gonna be amazing, and it sells a little bit, or it doesn't, and then it just sits there. So we're going to be clearancing some stuff out, so stay tuned. We will post the details of everything kind of sporadically. We won't just inundate social media with it, but I will put up little bits here and there about we have a sale going on. We are calling it like a New Year sale, but I am starting it like right now. I did some of the changing of the prices on Saturday, so the prices for these are live, and honestly, if you want one of these, hit me up. We'll make a deal. I just want to get rid of those. Again, great knives. Nothing about the knives. It's just they just aren't moving, and we want to kind of shift directions. And we'll talk a little bit more about how we're going to shift directions with Miyabi and with some of the other stuff that we're going to, as opposed to coming away from. That's it for me for today. We will see you tomorrow.